so you would have seen by the title of this video that this is all about my summer 2019 shoe haul. So if you're interested in that, please continue watching. I only made one purchase from Zara so far when it comes to shoes, and I'm just gonna show you them. They're really comfortable. They're these. I wear them a lot to work. I only have like one qualm with the shoe, and it's with the right one for some reason. I don't know if my right foot is bigger than the other one, but when it walks, it hurts like in this area. I don't know, because there's no stretch here really at all. But for the most part, the shoe is really comfortable, and I'll link the prices in the description bar below. So if you're interested in these, go ahead and check them out. And I may or may not do like a try-on at the end of the video, so watch to the end. You may get a surprise. I actually just made a purchase from Zara earlier this week, so that should be coming in soon, and I'll do like a dedicated Zara haul maybe the next couple uploads, so stay tuned for those. So my next shoe is actually a Target purchase, and I saw it and I just absolutely have to have it because of the print. And it's these cute little slides right here. I love it. It has like a tribal type of print going on, and it's black with, I think this is cream, black and cream printing, and it just goes with a lot of things that I wear on a daily basis. Sometimes I wear it to work as well. We have like a very casual office dress code, so it works. They're comfortable. I got these for, I believe, $14. I did the Target pickup, so I ordered them online, and I just picked them up when they arrived at the Target store that's near me, and I got them in a size 9, if I didn't mention that already. But yeah, these are those. Very nice. They go with everything. I wanted to get a shoe that I can easily just dress up or dress down, that is like in a nude-ish color, and I found some really inexpensive ones on Forever 21, which is like my go-to place to shop, and I absolutely love them. I actually haven't been wearing them much because I haven't been going anywhere but I really like them. I got them in a size 9. I should have sized up because they don't have like that elastic stretch at the side, so it can get uncomfortable after wearing them over a long period. But for the most part, they're easy to walk in. I love the simple detail of it, and it goes pretty much with everything. But yeah, these are the shoes. These were like $25, so it didn't break the bank, and like they go with a lot of things, and I love that. Cost per wear is definitely a must when it comes to making purchases nowadays days. So yeah, let me know which one of these shoes you guys like, and leave a comment. Don't be shy. All right, so the next shoe that I purchased was actually suggested to me from a co-worker a couple weeks ago, and I was like, let me go try them out, because she wore them, I liked them. I was like, let me see if they have my size. So, and it was at the Old Navy, guys. Old Navy, don't sleep on Old Navy. They have some really good stuff there. And I saw these shoes. I actually wore them in one of my recent posts on Instagram. So this is them. This is a size 9, and guys, they were on sale. That's the win. It was on sale for $12.98. And yeah, they're just some really simple with a little knot at the top, but they go, I mean, it's black, you can't go wrong with black, and you can wear them at work. I wore them at work with like a red paperback pants, a white tank, and a black blazer, and these shoes. So you could dress it down. In the Instagram post, I wore it with some black shorts, a white balloon top, and these shoes. So there's just so many things. I mean, cost per wear, guys, cost per wear. You guys like my headband? I got it at Target today, and I think it's really cute. So at the beginning of summer, I wanted a all white plain simple sneaker, and I went to another online store that I frequent a lot, and that's Asos.com. If you're not familiar with it, you need to get into it. It's the bomb.com. All right, so I got the sneaker brand of Asos. So these are the shoes, and I killed them, guys. I killed them. Like, I wore these like almost every single, if I had somewhere to go, these were what I was putting out. Like, they go with absolutely everything. And you want to know something crazy, guys? I did not like white sneakers like almost all of my life. I just felt that they look pretty big on my feet because I'm like a size 9. But I don't know, last year I decided to try some white sneakers from Asos, and they were pretty cheap as well. These were like $25. These were $25, and the one that I got last year were also $25. So I was like, I did not want to invest too much money into one pair of shoes that I'm not sure that I was going to like wear often. So I got these. But I love how the quality, I love the quality of the shoe and everything that it was able to go with. So I purchased another one, and these were them. Like, they're so comfortable as well, but like my husband doesn't like them. I don't know why, but it's practical and it works. So guys, don't get pressured into buying expensive sneakers just because, okay? All right, so the next sneaker that I'm about to show you is one that my husband got for me because of the last one that I just showed you guys. He was like tired of seeing me those sneakers because I wear them so much that he bought me a pair of, another white pair, but it's like the Converse brand, which they were really comfortable in the most. You have to wear these with socks though, because for some reason at like this part of the shoe, this, like, I don't know how to describe it, but that part of the shoe, like without socks, it hurts when you're walking for like a while. And the first time I wore these were on 4th of July, and yeah, after like a few hours walking, it was not cute. So yeah, but I just, it's these. I got them in the size 6 men's, so that's a woman's 8. So they look pretty cute on my feet too, and I've been wearing them here and there as well. Of course, it's sneakers, so you can wear these with dresses, you can wear them with jeans, and that's basically how I would wear my sneakers nowadays. I wear them more with dresses, guys. I think that really looks like chic and cute and comfortable, so that's what I do. All right guys, we are absolutely almost to the end of this video. I have one last shoe that I need to show you, and it's these bad boys right here. I haven't even worn them yet. I bought them Thursday this week, and I'm not even finished lacing them up. That's how new they are. Like, they're new. I bought them at the DSW store in the mall here, and there are these, you know, classic Vans, super cute. I have had my eye on these for about maybe 6 months. I don't know, I just really didn't know if I would like them, and I was gonna order them. So I'm glad that the DSW store has them so that I could actually go and try them on and see how it looks on my feet before I actually decide that I wanted them. But I like them. I plan to style them with a black dress and a white dress and some other dresses. So I plan on wearing these with dresses, and of course jeans and all that good stuff. But these are really strong and durable. I see a lot of people here in the winter wearing these Vans, so I think for fall these will definitely be my go-to. But I like sneakers, so these would definitely be going to work with me as well. Yeah, I really like them and I can't wait to style them. Maybe I should do like a quick try on with these ones and show you guys how I would style these sneakers. So hey, oh, and I forgot to tell you, they're size 8 women's, size 6 men's, so they fit basically just like the Converse that I have. Really cute on my feet. And yeah, so let's do a little quick, I'm gonna just try them on and let you see how it looks with this dress, and maybe I'll try another dress on or some jeans and let you see how that looks as well. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Let me know in the comments which shoe was your favorite of this haul, whether it was the sneakers, whether it was the flats or the heels. Just let me know, and don't forget to thumbs up as well, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload, which is every Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye.